So friend, this is my Blue Sky channel here. Last previous video, resource monitor, I'm show you some information. So let's continue this video in my resource monitor part 2. So this is part 3 here, resource monitor. And watch my video part 1, part 2 resource monitor. What is inside the different type of these informations. So we are continue services. How many services working in resource monitor, how identify. So watch my all video. But services mean these services CPU services only, okay. CPU services and process services. So applications and so you can handle your applications and associated you can in the services. Associates handles. What is the associate handles mean? This is a select your process and search handles. See, so how can we start in this type? Both these columns empty, not showing anything. So I'm first select any process and services, so showing automatically. So first I'm CPU this all up overview, and you can see here. So this four type different types: CPU, RAM, and disk and network. But I'm just showing CPU only, and talk about different RAM and so click CPU, and you can see I'm already talk about overview and CPU just now. So CPU inside you can see here different type cell, and next is memory. So I'm click on memory, but before click on memory, you can see here different tab information for CPU. I will discuss in hardware and very deeply, but I'm talk about resource monitor process and the systems here. So you can see here memory. What is a memory? Memory means your RAM, computer RAM. So this is a temporary memory, and every RAM depend on your systems with your RAM is a very important for your software install, your operating system. And memory is a work for your process, your work for your data, showing your data on your screen. So this is how many type of process work on memory you can see here, and details with so you can out of side you can see here process memory. This process only for memory, only on work only RAM. So some same process work with the memory and CPU and disk. Some process may be different work for different devices, but 91% same for different softwares and systems here. So this is all of you can see here memory. Memory means your RAM, computer RAM services here. So what is the RAM? I will discuss in hardware series. So you can see first every information RAM. Without RAM you cannot install your software in your computer. So depend work with just talk about cam recorder.exe means this my software. I record my video here, and automatically this start these services, because I'm click on my software and start automatically this process here, and start with different services with these software here. So you can see a cam recording.exe means so these are name of software, and the process ID means 7996. This give automatically by default fixed number process ID by operating systems, and this process work how many using work and load with your computer, and with different tab options in different tab change your systems and system with your behavior software. So first talk about the system process always start on number 4. You can see here systems, and system with a different all of system services process work with the same with CPU. So I'm just talk about CPU this type, meter diameter. So you can see here use physical memory, and you can see here different type information. So this is my, this is a green, light green area means this is a very base empty here, and some this is a very light here. Light means very using our system here. So 100% means very load of very, charge your systems and hard fault, your memory very busy type and not working sometime. So sometime your software not responding. Why is this type give service? Because your very memory very slow. And why slow your memory? Because sometimes unnecessary files working in your company, unnecessary software, unnecessary application, unnecessary process working in your systems. So I'm only talk about a CPU, but I'm just talk about memory. So first you can see here this is my memory and is used in my computer. So my computer memory I'm already total using 4 GB, and very hard fault and second, you can see hard fault mean in seconds, because sometime my, some features, some maybe not perfect work, maybe fault. So this automatically showing here, and this type fault this here, and I can check, I can manage my computer RAM, some different type work with some error type software error type services. So I can handle my computer and I can save my computer, because sometimes computer very damaged for different types viruses, services, unnecessary softwares, and unnecessary network with applications. So this is a very hard fault, and second means your RAM very lot of take load. So all of software depend on your memory size. So you can see here 4 GB, and you are install completely 8 GB type software, so not work for your computer, because limit of your data, limit for your uh, memory RAM data. So first I'm talk about the memory. So RAM means your memory, and RAM, without RAM you cannot see your this type data, you cannot see Windows, and RAM is a temporary memory. Permanent memory is a hard disk, and you first check your memory, how many using a systems, how many you can see here memory systems and memory work and memory, so first we are talk about overview for, and after talk about services of memory RAM. So just I'm giving example 4 GB in my RAM, and I'm using a 5 GB 5 GB data install software. So this not work perfectly. So I'm just showing you process, and 39% using physical memory means 39% load of my memory, and load of so system software, system services, system configuration files some here. So 1565 MB in use my 15, not fixed here, but some bitwise 1024 1024 means different type physical memory, and 1565 MB use in my computer, means this 1 GB using my installer software. And modified you can see here 2387 means I installed all of already some modify my in my memory RAM. So what difference between because some my already installed so this is a hardware software. So hardware is reserved by company. So why give 10101, not you directly take a completely 4 GB. Some some already store one so one 100 MB 100, not completely you have 4 GB RAM, either 4 GB memory card. So sometime 3.9 GB 3.8 GB this type. Why give because hardware is mean your all of your main physical system, physical devices, all of computer main file store and fix in your memory by your you know make your company memory. So this automatically hardware reserved by company and 101 not Microsoft company means this reserve on automatically your making hardware your different type company. Okay, so this making or automatically hardware reserve this type software available in your computer. So why this hardware reserve automatically? Because sometimes systems not directly work without a process ID and without computer work control. So this hardware reserve know about what is this memory, what is why work here, and how many type of work here, and how can this work. So this hardware reserve is very important. This 101 MB inside this all of settings of your memory, and you cannot change this hardware reserve because this automatically create by your company, not Microsoft company, because this automatically create your you know manufactured by your memory RAM. Okay, so you can see hardware reserve inside different type hardware your in you. Okay, and you in use, what is the different hardware reserve? Hardware reserve mean 100 your attach your memory in your motherboard. So in use my, you can see modifies 62 and standby means already start. So you can see here modify means 61 MB and standby means start automatically this standby. And free my memory 115 MB means 1 GB, so 1.1 GB. And you can see available my memory 2.3 means 2 GB available, 2.3 GB available means 1000 MB to make automatically 1 GB. So cache memory, you can see cache and using 1287 and total 3995. You can see here not 10000, install at 1096. You can see here 4096, correct, sorry, 4096 is completely installed all of my systems and total give me 3995. But 100 means 100 automatically hardware reserve. In this case I'm using automatically, not automatically, I'm using systems and software by using these all of these you can I can install I can check first before I install software. So how can change? Because some I'm already told you, you first install your software, check your RAM size. So my memory services and processes, you can see here, but process not services work with CPU, but memory inside work only process. So you can see here memory always process with your base data and based for work with your CPU. So memory, why using this type system process? Because memory is a temporary memory, and temporary memory RAM is a temporary memory, and RAM always start to with your computer, your CPU, and all of software work with all of data depend on RAM and CPU, and RAM showing your data and CPU process with signal data. So you can see here this is the systems and the system process ID 4, and I'm just showing your process system 4. And you can hard fault and seconds means sometime failures, so 0 second failures signals here. And commit, you can see here KB 952. So using the 952 means working systems process. Okay, so you can see here all of some software programs always very important code in systems. So images, cut it image means your systems, and your click on your services, you can select here. Okay, so first you can see your systems and system different types available in your RAM, depend on RAM. Okay, so first you can see your email and process ID week worth, you can see here. Okay, so first process ID 4, and you can see 6268 means this is process, and half volt second means your 000 means not fail these files here and file services. Okay, so you can see here commit KB means 177376. Okay, and 303804 means this using my memory size, these my these softwares here. Okay, so you can see here, check how many your softwares using these size, and okay, and you can see a working set KB, this type of memory, section bit, anything you call, but this type using a KB working with your software. And shareable means this share these a KB sites inside, you can see here. Okay, so this type KB you can see here, click on start menu and different type you can see here. So all of systems how can work, all of automatically search and automatically increase KB set and start here. So not need for working set, you can see here. So any you work your software, you work your start your software, for that time it is a very important KB inside, increase decrease your KB. This is a very important for, because these are showing your data and showing your how look your software. Got it. Shareable KB means you can see you share your systems KB different types here. So shareable means you share your bit different type, your physical memory, command charge, and different. So this is a KB side you can for all fix, sometime not fix. So you can see here this is a system process ID 4, and you can see here process ID V4 not fault 0, commit 952 using, okay, 952 KB using, and this working set you can see here 30. You can end process T I'm already told about, and analyze which chain is suspend process and search online. So you can see here, and any process you want, just like CPU you can see here, suspend and process ID I will show you. Systems, so systems, where is system, you can see here, and same options available on, but memory inside different type options available using here. So you can see here, click on in search online, suspend, analyze, end process tree. I'm again talk you end process tree. What means end process means this file stop, but end process tree means this, so this file with others, some file start background side. So all of files, all of services, all of process and you can stop. Okay, so systems name, system process name here. So friends, I will discuss memory process here, and how many type of process working in these resource monitor systems here. And this is one type of process in memory, how many type of work and how many type can manage here. So I will give more details in part 4 here. So this my part 3 complete here. So I will discuss in part 4 these more details of your resource monitor. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, click on like button. So thanks for watching my video, my all video part wise here. So watch my video part wise. So thank you.